Greetings, ITCE students, and welcome to week 8 of our course. This is the first video that I have that accompanies the slides, and I'm going to try to cover slides 1 through 8 in this video. So you'll see that our agenda this week, we're kind of moving on, but before we move on, if you attend the in-class team meeting, we'll talk about everybody's training reflections, and you'll have the chance to look at what your classmates did. Then we'll talk about diversity. That's our new unit, diversity. Just for a week, we're going to cover that. And we'll talk about why diverse workforce is important to a business and how it can help you be more successful. So you want to know about diversity and inclusion and how to be diverse and inclusive and demonstrate that on your resume, cover letter, and LinkedIn, and at a job interview so that you are more attractive to an employer. And then we'll talk a little bit about inclusiveness and how you can be inclusive. And your kind of homework activity will be to explore intercultural diversity and do a little activity so that we can have some shared content for everybody to look at. I see that I'm already at the 2-minute mark, so this video will probably only go to maybe slide number 5. All right, so the in-class activity, if you're able to attend, will be to post a link to your assignment or tell us a little bit about, if you chose the written report, the universal design for learning strategy that you used to make sure that your training was accessible to your learners. And you'll give feedback to people using 1 star and 1 wish. And then we'll move on and we'll talk about diversity and inclusion. And I'm going to stop here and then start here with video number 2.